Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you two quick upgrades for your RV screen door. The first item is this aluminum screen defender by Lippert. The hope is that it will prevent our dogs from damaging the original screen in a quest to chase after squirrels. For Ember, you'll want to order the 30-inch kit. For other manufacturers, I suggest measuring your screen door before making a selection. The second item is this handy crossbar by Camco to make opening and closing the screen door a lot easier. For Ember, select the standard size. Links for these products are in the description. The Lippert Screen Defender comes with the aluminum screen and two sets of male and female extrusions. The extrusions serve to fill in any gaps. For example, this gap here. Step 1. Fit the two large extrusions together. Then slot them into the bottom of the screen door. Step 2. Slot the aluminum screen into the existing channels in the door. Step 3. Secure the latches up top. You'll see me struggle to do this with the existing hardware in place. And here's the screen defender in action. Next up is the Camco crossbar. The package comes with detailed instructions on how to properly install it. But it seems simple enough that I'm just going to eyeball it. Step 1. Determine where to place the bar. You'll need to go high enough to avoid interfering with the existing hardware. Step 2. Mark the two holes on the interior of the bar. These holes will be used to secure the ends of the bar to the rod. Step 3. Drill the holes with a 1/8 inch drill bit. Step 4. Screw the ends into place with the provided hardware. Step 5. Mark the 4 holes on the screen door. These holes will be used to secure the crossbar to the frame. Step 6. Drill the holes with a 1/8 inch drill bit. Step 7. Screw the bar into place with the provided hardware. And here are both items in action. Update. After several days, the extrusions popped off. Here's my solution. I don't mind the gap in the door. Even if you have big dogs, I'm not convinced that covering the gap is a necessity, unless you don't like the look of it. As always, thanks for watching.